All right. Hey there. Hey there and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a scary one. I'm doing a side-by-side power of makeup and then the bare face on this side right here. Before you guys continue to watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, as you can see it down right there. But before I let you go, I want to give you guys a message. In the past couple of videos, I've been doing a 30-day challenge. Most of the days I'm putting them on Instagram if you guys want to check out what I'm doing every single day. It's just changing my way of thought because I have been going through a rough couple of months and thinking negatively, and let's just be honest, nothing ever goes well when you think negative. So today my message is going to be, whenever you're feeling down, we all have those moments. Don't even worry about it. We're allowed to have that. We're human. But my message is, when you have those down moments, don't feel too bad about yourself. If you are in doubt of something, or let's say you're trying to follow a dream but nothing's working out in your benefit, that's the perfect time to even push even harder. Because I've had a rough day today. This is when you guys see this will be weeks, or it'll be 2 weeks after. But today I actually did have a rough day, and I just got to remember, I'm like, I'm going home, I'm gonna do a video, or I'm gonna do the makeup and following the dream that I love. And it was just motivation to me to remember that every time there's something rough, it's always better to push even harder, because those are the times where you actually build your character more and more. So with that being said, please continue to watch. Thank you guys. Okay, so I am starting with the bare face today. I am doing the power of makeup look today. I know there's like different versions of it, but I think my version of it would be, I'm gonna do half face bare, half face. My normal, I'm not gonna say like very dramatic night out look, but like a soft brown glam what I'm gonna go for today. So half the face bare, half the face makeup. So let's see how I actually look side by side. I've never done a video like this before, so I'm very excited to do this one. With that being said, let's get started. I think for tonight, because I am going to a concert, so I want to make sure I'm mattified, I'm gonna use the Remo London Stay Matte. I am gonna do the rest of my face after I finish off this video, so I'm not gonna go to the concert half and half. I'm not crazy. Maybe sometimes. How are you doing today? Everything good? Put it in the comment section. Let me know how you're doing. So for the primer, I'm gonna put it all over my face, as I said, because I am gonna be doing the rest of my face after this video. This primer is kind of hard to blend out because it dries super quick, so you gotta have to work fast with it. Just letting you know. So which side do you think I should do bare? This side? This side? This side? Okay, this side. I'm talking to a camera, I know, but actually, I do want to mention something. I know I'm only at like 50 subscribers, but to those 50 subscribers, I want to say thank you, because you're actually encouraging me to do more videos and hopefully to get more, or to reach out more people out there in the makeup audience. But I just want to say thank you. It is a little bit of a milestone for me. Hopefully the next milestone will get to 100, 200, and so on and so forth. I just want to follow my dream and actually show people my concept of makeup and how I like to do makeup, and hopefully they would learn something from me, and then we'll go from there. If it becomes something, great. If it doesn't, I'm still enjoying these videos one way or another. So again, thank you so much. Okay, on to the foundation. I'm gonna combine Huda Beauty and the L'Oreal Paris Infallible. I like combining these two colors together because they actually make the perfect skin color for me. So I'm gonna add some on my hand actually. See, they're two different tones, but they actually make a very good combination for my face. They cover all the blemishes. They're both very full coverage, so they work together very well. Okay, so this side is gonna be the makeup side. Okay, so now that that's done, for concealer, Colourpop and Born This Way, I combine these as well, because this one gives me, I know it's lighter, but I bought it lighter on purpose. Well, actually I bought it on mistake, but good thing I got it in this light color, because I can combine these both and actually give me a nice lifted face. The concealer I add sometimes depends on where I'm going. So if I'm going on a night out and I want to take pictures and I don't want any kind of flashback or like any kind of indication that I have blemishes in my pictures, I add a good hefty amount, like this amount right here. If it's my day-to-day, like, you know, lazy Sundays, all that stuff, which actually came out last week or 2 weeks ago. If you guys want to check it out, I will add it in my description box, or you could check on my channel and see how I have all the videos available for you guys to watch. I do everything from very simple to very dramatic and complicated looks. Hopefully you guys enjoy my stuff. But it just, again, it depends on the concealer that I put on, depends on what I'm going for. So tell me what you like to do. What's your typical makeup or coverage routine that you like to do? Okay, so now that we got it covered and highlighted, my next step is I usually powder everything, contour, all that stuff. So to set my powders in place and do my contours and stuff, I usually have my go-to Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette. As you can see, it's very loved. These two right here at the top, I just refilled. I love these palettes. All right, so usually for under my eyes, I dip in these two colors right here. Then I just press it. I don't really go back and forth, so I don't want to disturb the liquids that I put under it. Oh my god, I can't speak. My contour, I usually go for this one right here. I don't add too much, just barely dip my brush in there and just kind of go into the halo of my jawline right here. And I usually kind of focus it right here. I don't go too down. Oh, I don't want the 5 o'clock shadow. So I keep it focused right here. As you guys can see, or if you can see, I have a nice cut in the jaw, and then I bronze it afterwards. So I go around the hairline as well. I really don't do too much of a face tutorial because it's very repetitive, so the steps I just do mostly every single time, and then I usually just show the eyes or whatever I'm trying to highlight in my videos throughout the week. So now I'm going to bronze. Same palette, I just flip the brush over to the other side. And then the bronzer, I kind of bring it down just a little bit. Okay, so now that we have a contoured face, go in with some blush and then highlighter. My go-to blush is from Tarte Cosmetics. And next we got some highlighter. Wet n Wild Mega Glow. This thing is freaking amazing. I love these highlighters. So I dip my brush in there. Next, the fun part, eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Dip. This is the, Dip Brow. It's in the color medium brown. One of my favorite pomades this far. That's my cat. That's one if you guys hear the snoring. He snores. He's a Persian cat, so he has a flat face. So he snores a lot. Poor thing. Okay, so that kind of shapes my eyebrow. Now let's go to the part where you actually get creative with the eye. I like going to browns. I know it's a lot of people's go-to color, but well, let's just be honest, it's a very natural color and everybody likes to go for it because they're very easy to work with. But it just depends on how you do it. Do you like it as smoky as possible? Do you like it simple, just something in the crease? So I'm gonna do my dramatic night out kind of browns. And then I'm gonna share it with the Dominique Cosmetics palette, the Lemonade palette. I love this palette, it's so awesome. So I'm gonna set my eyes first, even though I did with the powders earlier, but I'm gonna set it with a different like bone color. Okay, so to set the eyes, I'm gonna combine these two colors right here, Classic and Vintage. I do love this palette, but there's like, as you can see, there's a bunch of fallout from it. Okay, so next, I'm gonna combine Whimsy from the Tarteist palette and then Sweet Tea as well from the Dominique palette. Okay, so I'm adding just Dimension into the crease. Next, I'm gonna use Chai Tea from the Dominique Cosmetics. I'm gonna add that right at the inner corner right here. Fluff it out. So I'm gonna add a little bit more smokiness to it. I'm going back to the Tarteist Pro palette, going with Smoked right here. Just to add some more darkness, just more smoky eye. Okay, so that looks smoked out. What do you think? Looks a little more smoked out to you? And a little bit more of that transition color again. There we go. Make sure those colors peek through. And then, I think I want to try Peachy. Peachy right here from the Dominique Cosmetics palette in the inner corners. That's usually my brown smoky eye. It's my typical go-to look. Or actually, I'm gonna combine peach and lemon soda. See how that turns out. Oh, it's so pretty. I love her palette. Oh, I've been using it for the past couple videos. It has not failed me yet. Every single color that I've used has been amazing. You can add eyeliner with this look if you want to. I'm gonna keep it a little more simpler. I'm not gonna add too much because these browns usually look really good in pictures. If you are gonna take pictures, planning on doing that. The soft brown lip or a mattified, like a rose nude or something like that. Okay, so I think last but not least is I'm gonna add some color on the lower lash line. So to do that, I will combine sweet tea and chai tea together. Actually, I forgot the inner corners and the brow bone, so let me highlight that. So for inner corners, I'm gonna use this one right here. This is the color Glam from the Tarte Pro palette. So now this is gonna be the normal routine. I'm gonna add some mascara, put on some lashes, and then I'll be right back so we can finish up with the lips, okay? Okay, I got my mascara and lashes on. Next is gonna be the lips. I think I wanna do something more of a brown nude color. Let's see what I got. These little travel size ones. It's in the color Roleplay. Yeah, see, it's a very nice brown nude. There it is. It's very similar to actual my flesh tone, which I'm happy with. Which one looks better? I know this one looks very nice and very well put together. If I do my simple, you know, just basic foundation and like a highlighter and stuff, I would do look more decent just to cover these under eyes that I got going on. But this completes the whole look. Ooh, what do you think? You like it? Want me to do more of this stuff with more dramatic looks? Please put in the comment section of what you guys want to see, of what you guys want me to do next time. Let me know what you like to do if you want to do the power of makeup. I want to see your guys' comparison side by side. Tag me on your Instagram if you like, because I'll put all my Instagram or my social media information down in the description box so you guys can take a look at it. With that being said, I think this completes the video. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.